Morning, guys. Here is the reduction gear that goes on a Revere clock, and it goes right there where you see that little bitty hole in between those teeth. And it's, quote, supposed to sit on this little tripod. And what it really does is it prevents the hands from moving just slightly when the clock is chiming and striking, which anyway, sometimes that doesn't work because of a worn bushing right there. But anyway, this tripod isn't really necessary unless you don't want your hands to move. And if you don't oil this little tripod, I'll show you what can happen. It'll make a wear point, such as you see here, which this one really isn't that bad. Thankfully, this one hadn't been run long, so there's still a lot of metal left. But Roy Mano had one that came in that there was only like 20% of the metal left, so he would have been able to break those little leaves very easily, so he had to replace that one. So whenever you work on these, if you so decide to keep this, put your little oil on it, on there, and around that little circle there where it doesn't start to do that to your gears, if it's not already like that. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope this tip helps you. It did me. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.